Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna be going over my makeup travel bag. I'm going back to Italy next week, so I thought it was time to start picking my makeup. My goal was to keep it in only one bag, and I think that so far I've done well. Now keep in mind, I know that there's some makeup waiting for me there. I have a new set of brushes and I have a mini palette as well. So I'm also considering that and arranging my makeup around it. But I just wanted to make a video to let you see what I picked for my summer makeup, specifically for Italy, for going to the sea and going to eat pizza, because that's an important part of going back to Italy, of course. So we're gonna start. My neighbors are yelling, it's Eid today, so it's holiday and they need to do their stuff. So please ignore them if you can. Let's start with my base. I cannot go without my Madagascar Centella Ampoule. This is the perfect makeup base. I have a mini size here, so this is perfect for travel. It's 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce, and it's super compact, and I just cannot do my makeup without it. I just can't. For my choice of foundation, I'm choosing the Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin Tint. I would have picked the Patrick Ta. Honestly, they are interchangeable to me, but this is much heavier and takes way more space. So I'm just going with this, and also I think this is halfway done, so maybe I'll get some more use out of this. This is my second time repurchasing this product, so I'm really loving it. I forgot to let you see my SPF. This is the Beauty of Joseon SPF 50 plus. This is used already. I just think it's important, of course, and I will be probably spending some time in the sun, so more than ever, it's important to have a good, strong SPF as a base. Even though I have to be honest, I feel like my SPF always makes my face more slippery throughout the day. I don't know if that's a thing for all SPFs or just this. I have only this, so I'm gonna be using this. But let me know in the comments if you have any suggestion for that. I feel like my base gets more oily with the SPF. Then I am bringing with me my Rare Beauty Gentle, is the shade, Liquid Contour. I'm really liking this. It's very easy to use, very easy to apply, blends well. It's not too cool tone, it's not too warm tone, so for me, it's the best, midpoint between those two things. And I really like it. I'm probably not gonna take some sun because I really don't like staying a lot in the sun when I'm at sea, except for when I'm in the water. But this is probably gonna make me look a bit more bronzy. You will see that bronzy is the vibe for this makeup bag. As a powder, I am taking with me the Charlotte Tilbury Soulmates face palette. This has both a blush and a powder. I really like the powder here. And the blush, I mean, yeah, why not? It's 2-in-1. It's gonna give this rosy tint. I'm just bringing it for the powder, honestly, because my other powder is a bit bulky. It's the Givenchy Mini, but I think even though this is bigger, it's flatter. So I prefer bringing this one. For blush, now we know that is a hot topic. I really am thinking I still need one more, but I haven't decided which one. But for now, I'm bringing my Pocket Road blushes, and this time they're actually pocket because I made this myself in a keychain by Lily by Red. This was originally a blush, but that was too pale for me, so I repurposed it and added 2 of the Rode Pocket Blush shades. This is Toasted Teddy and this is Sprinkle. I think it's called Sprinkle. So these are both warm tone shades, and I think it's nice that I can have 2 blushes in just one small thing. I also really like the formula of those, so I'm happy to bring them along. As a powder blush, I am bringing my YSL Make Me Blush in the shade 42. This is a baby pink. I needed to have a baby pink option as well, because when I'm going to Italy, the mini palette that is waiting for me is cool toned, so I needed a cool toned blush to accompany it. Also, I really like this because it has like a bit of sheen. Let me swatch it for you in case you haven't seen it in my other videos or actually in anyone else's videos. It's not super pigmented, which I also really like. You can see the difference between the two blushes. And yeah, you probably can't see how luminous that is, but on the cheeks, on the apple of the cheeks, looks beautiful. Yeah, so these are the only two blushes I have in this bag. So I think you can agree with me. I need at least one more. I was actually undecided between this House Labs blush. This is in the shade Glassy Ginger, because this is more like warm tone, and I feel like it will go well with the eye products I picked. Or maybe a Phytosurgeon's blush. I'll have to see. I really like this one though, because I feel like it has a bit of brown. It's a bit bronzy. So I don't know. I will put it in my bag for now. For the eyes, I will bring all three of my new Elf Magic, what are these called? Sparkle sticks. And I have them in the shade Frosty Winkle, Champagne Snowflake, and Beige Mystique. So as you can see from the colors here, I have a brown, I have a champagne, and like lilac to baby blue one. I feel like these are super fun for summer. And if you want to see them in action, I have a video dedicated to that. I really like them a lot. So they're also very easy to use. So I'm putting them here. They're staying with me. Again, as a base, I'm bringing the Lisa Eldridge eyeshadow base. It's the Liquid Silk eyeshadow. This is in the shade Ione. It's a grayish shade. I'm gonna swatch a bit more so you can see. It's a cool toned brown, and I really like it as an eyeshadow base, especially with the cool tones I'm gonna find when I go back to Italy, so I'm bringing that specifically for that. And as an eyeshadow palette, I'm just bringing this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a bit weird for me because this is a warm tone palette, okay? This is the Spice palette. It was an holiday release. I don't know if they still have it, but this is how it looks like. I feel like it has the perfect shades for summer. This is a bit cool toned as well. This bronzy shade is speaking to me. I really like the idea of having a warm tone palette and a cool tone palette. And the cool tone palette is already in Italy, so I just needed this to make sure I have options for my more warm tone lippies and my warmer tone blushes. So I'm just picking this one. I'm being very good. Exceptionally good. For the eyebrows, I am bringing my Refi mini size in the brow sculpt. This is the clear gel, and also, where is it? Yes, this one, the Kiko eyebrow sculpt in the shade 05, actually 06. It's just a pencil, an eyebrow pencil. And mascara, the M Cosmetics Shape Shift Tubing Mascara. I really like this one, and it's easy to remove. Let's talk about eyeliners, because I grabbed a few options. First off, I could not go without my Makeup Forever black eyeliner. I think that this is a must. This is the mini size, but I've used this a lot. I also am bringing the, always from Makeup Forever, the Universal Alert. This is the like burgundy one. I'm wearing it as an eyeliner today. I know I have glasses, so you probably cannot see that. Doesn't really matter. And then the Sephora collection Black Ink Fine Liner. I really like this eyeliner. I need to stock up on this because this is getting a bit, it's reaching the end of its days for sure. I'm also bringing the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the shade Pillow Talk Deep. So this is a brown lip liner, but I actually use this a lot as an eyeliner because I feel like it on my eyes, it pulls a bit reddish, but it's still brown. I really like it a lot. I'm also bringing a freckle pen, just in case I want to look like sun-kissed. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I actually found these already in my makeup bag, and I think I want to keep them. These are the Dose of Colors, it's literally magic sticks, and they are literally just like sparkly eyeshadow sticks, and I really like them. Just look how sparkly that is. It's beautiful, and this one is like a more a champagne-y one, and this one, which is called Stardust, is more of a pinky with some blue. It's also a bit warmer, I feel. Yeah, these are cute, and they are very small, so why not bring them with me, you know what I mean? For lips, let's start with lip liners. Of course, the Makeup Forever pencils I mentioned can be used for both, so keep those in mind. And I've also added my favorite Makeup Forever pencil, which is in the shade Endless Cacao. It's a cool toned, this one, brown. This goes very well with cool toned lips. And a Colourpop So Juicy lip liner in the shade ETA. And this is like a rosy brown. I'm actually wearing it today, and yeah, it's a darker one, but it has more of a rosy tint. It's also plumping, but I don't really believe in lip plumpers because of course the effect is gonna just fade away. And for my lips, I am bringing, first of all, the Benetint. This is in the new shade. It's the dark cherry one. I've used this a couple of times. I really like this. It's a brown red tint, and I think like it's very natural. If you're going like to the sea or somewhere, you still want something on your lips, maybe as a blush, this is a very nice option. I really like it. It tends to feather, like, I don't know if you can see, a lot, so you need to be very careful when applying it because it's very watery, but I think that's also for the normal, like the original one. Then I am bringing the MAC Cosmetics A Long Time Luster Glass lipstick. This is a warm tone brown, and I feel like I needed something for those like bronzier looks, and it's the perfect one. I really like this new MAC Cosmetics release. I'm also bringing my tried and tested, my love. This is the Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Aupe. I use this all the time. I feel like I must be running out by now. It's a pink lip oil that leaves a stain. This is very good for every day. It looks deeper here, but when I apply it on my lips, it is actually lighter. I'm also bringing a burgundy option because it wouldn't be my makeup bag without one of those. So I bought the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Dream Talk lipstick. It's this burgundy one here. And this is the lipstick with the heart-shaped cap, which is so cute. I will bring my beauty sponge as well as a mirror. The mirror definitely won't fit inside here, so I will keep it separate. Oh, and I was forgetting, I'm actually also bringing this Lisa Eilish liquid lipstick I have right now. This is in the shade Blush. It's the Velveteen liquid color. It's this one here. I really like it, and it sets. The only thing you can see is the outline, and that's the lip liner, which is good to know. The Colourpop one, it's a bit transferable, but liquid lipstick doesn't move. And I feel like I have everything I need. I might have to add something or remove something or change something. I usually do that because I keep thinking about what I need, but more or less it will stay like this. And for now, I feel like I have a solid choice of makeup. Let me know in the comment, what are your top 3 makeup items to bring with you on vacation? I'm really curious to know. And this will be it for today's video. I'm not sure that if I will be able to upload while in Italy because I will not bring my camera, I will not bring my light, but who knows, maybe I will do, I don't know, maybe a vlog with my phone. It might be bad quality, I don't know, I will have to see because I don't have a computer. Editing is kind of difficult when you don't have your programs and stuff like that, so we will see. But I hope you enjoy your holidays if you're going on vacation, and if you're staying at home, I hope you have a wonderful time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!